art? And you want to be an artist? Yes, because that is where your heart is. But to them, art is the class where you send students that can't pass math or become a scientist. But if they were to look at it scientifically, they would see that art is physics, because a body at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an external force which sets it in motion. And art is energy in motion, packaged in motion, meant to impact upon your spirit and set it in motion. Art is chemistry, because when words, notes, images, dance steps, or any of the other artistic elements combine, the resulting solution can be an explosive expression causing a chemical reaction when poured upon your mind. Art is biology, quite possibly the most efficient way to study the anatomy of human nature. You see that artist? That artist is a master who can make your heart beat faster, your blood pump harder, goosebumps jump farther across the surface of your skin than cold weather, without ever touching you, seeing you, or knowing your name, make you sit back in your chair and hold your head, or jump out of it and call the Lord's name in vain, permanently stain your brain with his or her personal expression. And even if you didn't like it, you can't forget it, because that artist must leave an impression. But you know, then there's got some that even after you've done it, they don't want to give you your credit. You know what I'm talking about? You look them in the eye, they will deny that they said it, but you see it in the face plain as if you read it. It's a dread it, could make you lose heart. Can't get up in the morning, always a hard start. But if you know in your heart, you pushing hard art, push it even harder than half a pram chart. Let them criticize it and feel that them smart. Continue to wear your crown, then we'll play the clown part. So I ain't got no time to feel hard done by hard work. I ain't know nobody else about but me, I about hard work. I's a Mack truck with a cutlass or the green fatigues to cut bush. Never fatigue, I must bust, it's a done deal, you must trust. The iron in my veins just will not rust. Don't feel that I crazy, it's just I got guts. I am not nuts. Don't feel I got loose screws. It's just that some people don't seem to understand that these are new times with new rules, and they don't want to follow the leaders of the new schools. So a bad mind make their mouth flow out like loose stools. But if you's a real artist, you ooze electricity coursing under copper skin, hotter fire in your wire, flowing within, flowing up spinal columns like a cobra with ease, lightning rods pulling current in the current and buzzing like a swarm of killer bees. If you's one of these, I beg you hold strain, but don't strain. Keep on track, but don't change. Survey the whole range of possibilities from every angle and wrangle all the powers you got to pop the rope and untangle the knot. What can stop you? If your intentions are righteous and true, and you are willing to work hard and think hard and do what you got to do, who is giving up? Certainly not you. You's a rock too, an immovable object, an unstoppable force. And maybe you used to be in love with having it easy, but you obtained a divorce and wed yourself to hard work, not by compulsion nor by force, but by choice. So all who don't like it can keep noise till the horse. And of course, you and hard work will live happily ever after. And they will wonder how you could work so hard and still be filled with so much laughter. It's because art is life, and life is the art that the true artist seeks to master. So what is the mantra? I got to repeat over and over again in my mind. Success equals deep thought plus hard work multiplied by time. Success equals deep thought plus hard work multiplied by time. Success equals deep thought plus hard work multiplied by time.